Did you know that every day billions of cyber attacks happen worldwide? But what exactly is cybersecurity and why does it matter? Today, in just 5 minutes, I'm going to explain what cybersecurity is, how it works, and why it's critical in our digital age. Cybersecurity refers to the practices and tools designed to protect our computers, smartphones, networks, and digital data from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Think of cybersecurity as your digital body's immune system, protecting against viruses, hackers, and other harmful threats. Without proper cybersecurity measures, our personal information, finances, and even national security could be at risk. Cybersecurity uses a layered approach, often called defense in depth. Here are the key components. Firewalls act as gatekeepers, filtering incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Antivirus software constantly scans your systems to detect and remove malicious software or malware. Encryption converts data into code to prevent unauthorized access. Only someone with the right encryption key can decode and access the information. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring multiple forms of verification before granting access. Security awareness, educating individuals about risks and best practices, such as recognizing phishing emails and avoiding risky websites. Together, these components create multiple barriers, making it harder for cyber criminals to breach our defenses. Some common cyber threats include phishing, deceptive emails designed to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Malware, harmful software, including viruses and ransomware, designed to damage or exploit your devices. Denial of service, DOS. Attacks, overloading websites or networks with traffic, making them unusable. Data breaches, unauthorized access to confidential information, often resulting in personal and financial loss. Understanding these threats helps you recognize risks and respond appropriately. Cybersecurity is critical because our lives increasingly depend on technology, from banking and shopping to healthcare and communication. A breach can cause financial loss, identity theft, or even threaten public safety and national security. Protecting our digital world ensures the safety, privacy, and stability of our modern society. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. By staying informed and practicing good digital habits, we can significantly reduce cyber risks. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech insights, and comment below what cybersecurity topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and stay cyber safe.